Hey guys, I have the newest home security camera, IMILAB A1. If you think it looks like a device from Xiaomi Smart Home series, then you're absolutely right. IMILAB is a Xiaomi partner, and it produces IP cameras, smart video doorbells, and other smart home devices. IMILAB products, including the new camera that I have, works with other major products and support Mi Home app from Xiaomi. As for the main features of a IMILAB A1 camera, it has 3 megapixels resolution, AI human detection, motion tracking, baby crying detection, and 360 degrees viewing. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing and then look at design, application and video quality. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Like many other Xiaomi smart home devices, the new IMILAB A1 camera comes in a simple white box. There is an image of camera on the front and specifications on the back, such as model, video encoding, resolution, microSD card, etc. You can also see main features of the camera on the side faces. Inside the box there is the camera itself and one more small box with power adapter, charging cable, user manual, and screws package. The new IMILAB A1 IP camera looks similar to the previous home security cameras from IMILAB company. However, there are also some differences. The camera has 360 degrees viewing angle and it has a rotating head. The front is black and there is a camera lens, indicator light and microphone. On the back we can see a speaker, reset button and micro USB port. MicroSD memory card slot is on the front, and the camera lens. That's all I can say about design of IMILAB A1 camera. Now I want to open Banggood online store and look at the main features of the new camera. One of the main features of IMILAB A1 is 3 megapixels resolution. You may be surprised, because modern smartphones have a 48 and 64 megapixels cameras, but for home security IP camera, 3 megapixels is really good. The pixels resolution is more than 1080p, 2304 by 1296 pixels. The next feature is AI human detection. The camera automatically records the short video when the motion detected. You know, IMILAB A1 has a function that I have never seen before in IP cameras, baby crying detection. I think you will not be surprised by night vision, because all security cameras have it. However, IMILAB A1 has micro light full color. Later, we will check the night vision video quality. As I already said, the new IP camera has 360 degrees pan range and 100 degrees tilt range. Of course, there is two-way audio available. The video can be stored on the free cloud and microSD memory card. Now let's connect the camera to smartphone and see what we can do in the app. First, you need to download and install Mi Home app on Android and iOS devices. Open it and create account if you don't have it yet. Then tap on plus icon to add a new device and choose IMI Home Security Camera. Choose your Wi-Fi network and show QR code to the camera. Click Next and just wait. That's all. By the way, IMILAB A1 camera speaks in English, not Chinese, as many other Xiaomi smart home devices. Once you have connected the camera, you can see the live video. You can rotate the camera using the buttons under the video. There are 5 icons under the video, such as mute, take a screenshot, record the video, choose resolution and full screen. At the bottom there is monitoring, playback, video call, photo album and shortcut. In home monitoring you can see all recorded videos. Press on the settings icon to enable home monitoring and select settings such as monitoring time, alert sensitivity, alarm interval, move tracing, baby crying detection and detection push notifications. There is also camera settings menu in the app. Here you can turn on, off status light, data usage warning, sleep settings, full color with low light, rotate the image and image settings. The image settings menu has only watermark, lens distortion correction, and wide dynamic range mode. You can also use 3 shortcuts in the app, such as sleep, camera calibration, and pop-up window. I have already made some videos day and night, and you can watch them now. At first glance, the new IMILAB A1 camera doesn't differ from other IP cameras. However, there are some big improvements. The first and one of the main updates is 3 megapixels sensor with a more than 1080p resolution. The video quality is really better than other home security cameras that I have tested before. Also, the new camera has color night vision, AI human detection, motion tracking, baby crying detection, and two-way audio. IMILAB A1 support Mi Home app, so you can use the camera in scenarios with other Xiaomi devices. The price of the new IMILAB camera is about $40. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.